So I just seen the Niger Confra post of the guy who checked out, like did the signing out like yesterday in Naked, right? And was stabbed by cultists and died a day after he signed out. I be that same day. First of all, cultism, all the cultism, this thing, and just under foreign religion, the same as Christianity. You get, because these people, they don't know, say those deities where they call all those different cults, all those they are different deities. They don't realize now. So somebody introduced you to a deity. For example, I go Kentucky now, Congo, tell them, say this we now be reds, say we be reds, right, or whatever. Make no vex on the red, make no vex. Say we be greens, we be awkward. So Congo, Kentucky now, Congo tell Oyibo people, say we be greens, come teach them their university people. Come tell them, say the deity where they back the greens, now Udo. Then another person can go, can form Grays. Can tell Grays, say their deity, now Polas. Now greens go come, greens for far away Kentucky. When they come, they kill person, they shout, hey, greens, oh, greens, oh, greens, oh, greens, they go the answer greens, oh, grays, oh, grays, oh, grays, oh. They will come, they shout, Udo, Udo, Udo. Guess who they offer human blood to? Guess who they offer human blood to? So, all these Nigerian youths where they for cultism just be the same thing with Christian people where they offer blood, they offer sacrifice, they destroy their home to foreign deities. So let me continue on the youth that was killed on the day of his, at a peak point in his life. You now with the young boy where they come up, the day where my life almost end, the day where the first day I enter police station, come from there, escalate, where we say when I enter inside with niggas. Now maybe the most serious case, like there were other people that came to Ikoyi, and now me everybody they look say, yo, how, like you now if you know come outside from this place. The day where that thing happened, now the day where my first album come outside, other first album will be say I did very positive about, say yo, like I'm saying, say make I take off, right? Because you guys, everybody they confident in their album, even if it's their first work, right? So 26th, my album is supposed to come out on 27th August midnight. Unreasonable, that was the collage album. And 26th night by 7 p.m. I get in an accident. Akoguli carry things come. I fall into the thing and my life almost ends just on the day we. First of all, be so obviously tension we don't even fool for your head that day, probably. But yes, so and I almost no come outside. So this dude now we die on we go run into security people. I'll be waiting. We come one extort them. I'll be cultist, we want rob them or whatever. Story. How can I be fine for where they carry knife, they find who they go stab, or you where your more carry you go where they stab person knife. I judge you, ofeke. So like as I see the guy video, it just reminds me of that event. So you want to be a young man where you know the chopper your more if for well my guy, you want to navigate this plane that is full of particles, different particles. Where Brownian, they teach you Brownian motion. Say particles they randomly bombard into each other, they collide into each other. You want to navigate this plane where Brownian motion they exist without your spirit, the entities where you know they see with your human eyes. Yeah, where be them they prevent negative particles from colliding into you. If you enjoy the insights I share on the Alusi Pablo brand channels across all social media and in person, when you book a consultation call and stuff, you're going to find a lot of value when you get a copy of my book, Igommo 101. Over 114 pages, I 100 and something pages. I just look that up, no vex. I know the pitch now, no be investor at the pitch. So I don't know my numbers. Over 100 and something pages. I give an introductory course to Igbo spirituality. Yeah, that's what it is, an introductory course to Igbo spirituality. So if you don't do your 101, how you want to go 2, or why you want to go 3, or why you want to go 50.